Meet Sleepal, the world's first contactless sleep tracking lamp. Powered by 60 gigahertz millimeter wave radar, Sleepal captures your breathing and heart rate with millimeter level precision. Using the on-device AI model, Sleepal reconstructs your night more accurately than top wearables, backed by clinical data. The next morning, you'll get a clear, intuitive report, helping you understand and improve your sleep. Sleepal even shows how your breathing changes with different sleep positions, suggesting you make small adjustments that lead to better sleep over time. Beyond tracking, Sleepal is a lamp that truly understands you. At night, it adjusts light, sound, and rhythm to help you wind down naturally. Sleepal connects with your smart home to adjust light, temperature, and humidity, along with your sleep status. In the morning, Sleepal wakes you as a smart alarm to keep your day refreshed. Want to snooze? Just turn over to stop it, without reaching out or struggle. Sleepal is redefining how we understand sleep. When you sleep better, everything changes. More clarity, more focus, more energy. Sleepal, designed for natural sleep.